everyone, I'm the Raider, and today we are playing Sniper Elite 3, but the campaign of Sniper Elite 3. I'm not going to be doing a series, I'm just going to probably be doing the first level and some of the second level. But yeah, I'm a rank 24, so I've got some good weapons, but I have switched back to the original sniper, the M1 Garand, and the well rod. But I'm keeping the MP40 on me because it's the second machine gun you get. So yes, this is the first mission. You get the M1 Garand. Also, yeah, I may have fixed the storage problem on my phone, so you may not be getting cut up videos, and you may actually be getting decent ones. But yeah, it's on marksman difficulty because I don't really like playing it on cadet anymore. I like playing it on marksman. Meaning there's no wind or anything, but there is bullet drop. Shot him in his wrist. There. Ooh, did I get him? Well, I'm gonna get him, but where? Balls! Oh, it just counted as a kill, it wasn't a testing shot. Yeah, of course, I can't change anything right now. Ooh, he's got a good sniper. No, that's not taking. Got some ammo. There. Where did I get him? Yeah, I like the campaign of this game. It wasn't the best game campaign shooter thing that I've ever played, but it was definitely not the worst. Shot the lid off! That is what you call a good shot. Ooh. And then we seem to get bombed. Nice. Right then.
The Germans are using Nebelwerfers. I have to do something about them.
Yes, we must stop their nipple versus. It's like reverse nipples, but weirder. Alright then. Basically, this bit you go in stealth. So that's why I chose the well rod.
You won't hear me approach if I crouch.
I was going to choose the semi-automatic thing, but I just decided why not go back to the original stuff, because I'm not using DLC shit. Yeah, none of this stuff, none of my equipment is DLC. It's all natural game, vanilla game stuff. Have him in his neck. I know that I haven't really played the story mode of this thing much. I might do more story mode mission. I might do more mission videos, because I do like the missions in this game. They're quite fun. Hi. Bye. But yeah, the first mission is a bit of a stealthy, like, don't get spotted bit. Right, I have actually got 3 medkits. And also, there's noise at the top every now and then. Once he's done loading that, there'll be noise coming up the top. Look at the top. See? Like little ripple things. What you can do is you can actually shoot with your sniper rifle at that point, and they won't know. So what I will actually do is that. Because the whole point of this mission is to survive and shoot things, kill people, and take lives. Yeah, that's the corpse. The corpse is right over there. Oh, I got some well run ammo as well. Stealth kill. Stealthy, 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 stealthy. Stab him in the throat. That's a really short knife you have, mate. It didn't even go out the side of it. It didn't even go out the front of his neck. One bandage. Nice. Some dynamite. Come on. Give me the covering noise. Wow. See? I can shoot with my rifle and no one cares. Well, they probably do care, because, like, if they found their friend, then kind of screwed. So I'm getting my MP40 out just in case. Come on, vandalize. Good job. Also, I found out what this guy's name is. His name is Kyle. Because what you can do is you can go on an online multiplayer thing. And I went on that, and you can change your character, and it said Kyle when I went on this guy. I liked how the texture of the skin actually appeared before they died. And I love the fact that no one actually cares, the fact that they just had a huge bang. Anyway. Hello, everyone okay? Right, then we have to go stealth, remember? Headshot. Headshot. Okay, okay, crap. Bollocks. If you see on my mini-map there, there's a little yellow arrow. That means that someone's there, and he's suspicious, and he thinks that... We might do some of the next level if we have time, but the next mission's like forced stealth. It's not forced stealth, but you can go in stealth, or you can go in guns a-blazing. Barely any drop right there, so all I need to do is aim. When he fires, just shoot, so that no one knows my position. Double kill. Yep, blah blah blah, bombs drop. Shit is pan.
Might as well check the ridge.
Yeah. Alright then. Yeah. Oh, go. No. Just go. No. Nope. I'm one sniper, mate. Metal toasters! They look like toasters. And apparently our backup thing was the sign, logo, whatever you want to call it. Or Africa. I'll be with you guys when we are in the next level. I will be changing my loadout though, because in this one it's a bit more ranged, and I'm going to need some different shooting stuff. Alright then, we are back, and I've got the Massa Nugget in camo, and the SVT-40 as DLC weapons, so you won't be able to get them in the main story. My throat's really weird. And also I got that as DLC, that as DLC, and you guys know I like shotguns. And I've got that, and that as DLC, so yeah. Keep the well rod though. Gonna get the Tommy gun out. I'm gonna get my best rifle out that I get in the story. And I'm gonna customize it to my full extent. Perfect. Now, I will not be doing, I probably won't have enough time to do the whole of the mission, but if I do, that'd be nice. And I might actually do a series on this. Where I do 1 or 2 levels per episode. Ooh, you know what would be fun? Doing like a generator, nice. Basically doing a, like, you can't die run up. I don't know what to call it, I will be doing an anti-die run. That's what I'm going to call it, my series of them. Yeah, anti-die. So yeah, let's just tag a few people. That is the person I have to kill. Basically, you're a pretty much a hitman. I think that's... Right then, aim. That's about it, give me the noise. Oh nice, I've been promoted. I am a Tactical Sergeant Mark 4. That's what How is no one able to identify the fact that that is not the type of noise that a generator should make? It should not make bloody gun noises. You know what, screw it. Right then, screw stealth. Oh crap, yeah, maybe I should have taken out this. Don't care, don't care. Balls. Hold on, let's quickly kill my target. There we go, lay down.
Something collecting this corpse.
I am the worst damn shot in the world. Dead. Right then, yeah, like I said, I'm not probably going to do a series on Sniper Elite 3 story mode, but I decided why not make a video on the story mode, because I do quite enjoy the story mode. Not very good at just use snipers at close range, but alright then. I did get a headshot though, so that's alright, I guess. Right then, let's go and search the captain. Come here, Captain Hook. Where are you? Make it, no, don't mind if I do. Where's the captain? Oh no, I shot him through the thing, didn't I? I feel like how no one even knows where I am anymore. What weapon do you have? Ooh, you have the lugger. Good weapon choice there. Right then, well rod. Wait, no, I need to search the corpse, don't I? Oh no, I already did. So, yeah. This is not going to be a stealth run, because the stealth bit on this takes ages. You're looking at about, took me about 10 minutes for the stealth playthrough of this level. And for the guns ablazing level, not that much. So let's just get my Tommy gun out and go and kill. Watch out! In is long. You don't see Jack. Ghost. What does it mean by ghost? Does it mean like I haven't been, like I can shoot and not be seen? Guys, play hide and seek. They'll never see me. Well, why am I slightly sinking into the floor? Anyone might care about that? It's like an alligator. There's no one here. Got him! Alright then. Alright, we're going hunting for some Nazis. Where to get him? If I shoot one more bullet, then they'll know where I am. So all I have to do is just move and keep my well rod out and not fire a single bullet. Sorry guys, misfire. Ooh, another. Oh, my friend's online again. Bandage. Nice. You could have used that, couldn't you, mate? Hello. Welcome to free death services. Free death services, anyone? They're free. All it costs is 1 lead bullet. Did they make lead bullets back in World War II? Probably. Hi. Not high, not high, not high, not high. Invisier? What's that? Oh, invisible. Alright. Heal. Crap. Right then, he has probably got an MP40, so what I can do is I can go... Balls. Hold on, need to take him out. Quickly! There we go, I wasted about 4 shots on that guy. Medkit. Alright then, this video has gotten pretty long, so what I am actually going to do is probably end it off soon. Yeah, that was Snap Elite 3 campaign. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe as well, tell your friends about my channel, tell everyone what we do here, saying like I'm a company for some reason. But yeah, one quick rule, kids: never play Russian roulette with your friends. Is anyone here alive? Say hello if you're alive.
Hello!
I heard a hello. Is it you? Okay, yeah, he's dead now. So yeah, I'm gonna go before I kill any more people. Maybe shoot them in the balls or anything like that. You know, I do not want to shoot them in that area. Whoops. Ooh. Bummer. But yeah, that was Snap Elite 3 campaign. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe as well, tell your friends about this. What we're actually gonna do before we end up the video, I'm actually gonna have a fire building contest. I'm gonna build it right here, right next to the fire. Now we just gotta wait, and then things will happen then. My fire will be better than the one in the middle that all these Nazis made. Look. Shit, well I guess the gasoline that I added to the mixture wasn't actually gonna help. God dang it.